In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to navigate direct freight load board, guys. I will be showing you how to navigate the load board and some secret tips and tricks on how to make more money in this trucking industry, no matter if you're in the cargo van, box truck, semi, hot shot, flatbed, any vehicle you're in, guys. I will show you how to book a load, how to navigate this direct freight load board, and it's all absolutely free. Now, if you're watching this video, we all know that you're trying to get into this industry. We all know that you need a load, guys, and you've come to the right place. I will show you how to get a load, how to find a load, what are the best steps to locking down this load, because guys, in this trucking industry, it's a lot of competition, guys. It's very saturated in this industry right now. People are hopping into it every single day, guys. And if you haven't done so already and you haven't started your business, I do have a video, boom, right here that will teach you exactly how to start your business, step by step, everything you need to know. But let's get into this video on how to start booking loads, how to find your loads using the direct freight load board. Before we get into this video, I do want to say that I did have a video yesterday on how to use the next load board, everything that you need to know on how to navigate the next load board. So I'm going to teach you in today's video direct freight load board. But before we start the video, guys, I want to make sure you guys go in the link in the description. Check out the links, guys. They will help you make money the most easiest way possible, any niche you need, anywhere from making money in crypto, trading, guys, trucking business tips and tricks, how to boost your credit fast, guys, how to start an online business, and even how to manage your Instagram profile to reach 100,000 followers. All in the links in the description. Check out the Patreon, where we do have multiple lessons on how to make this money the easy way. Because if you didn't know already, this is Black Investor Group, where we do make money easy, where I do teach you how to make money the simplest way as possible. And if you do want to reach out to me for further questions or one-on-one conversation, I do offer coaching calls in the Calendly link in the description. Calendly.com/King Latta. Go check it out. They schedule you a call to talk to me for 10 to 30 minutes for only $10, guys. Check out the link in the description. But let's go ahead and hop right into the desktop, and I'll show you how to navigate this direct freight load board. Let's get it. Woo! So over here on the desktop, we do have the direct freight services load board, and you can see they have many options such as find loads, the load map, where you can see loads visibly, guys, on where they're at in their location. They do have post trucks, and I will get into that later, but this is the secret method on how to make more money in this trucking industry with this secret tool right here. So stay tuned to the end of this video to learn how to make more money in your trucking industry. Even if you're newly started up, guys, you can scale your trucking business with this method, but we're gonna go into that later. We also have view my truck, so once you post your truck, you know what I'm saying, you can view your truck. And then we have recent searches and alerts, and then we got more services right here. We got freight rates, the calculate mileage. We got a mileage calculator, which is a big tool in this trucking industry, but once you see the miles, guys, you can pretty much calculate it yourself. We got blog, we got partners, we got find drivers, we got quick pay trucking links, guys, and get your authority. So they will help you get your authority. But guys, I do like this find drivers tab, because if you are in the dispatching, if you're looking to dispatch, this will help you guys. You can find drivers and owner operators, post your resume, search jobs, or you can search for drivers, guys. So right here, you can post your resume, you can get loads if you are a carrier, and if you are a dispatcher, you can find drivers. And guys, if you do need lessons on how to become a dispatcher, I do have a video, boom, right here showing you everything you need to know. Two good methods, two bomb methods on how to start dispatching and make the most money as possible. But guys, we're gonna just go ahead, go back here. It did open up a new window, but as you can see, they have a shippers and brokers tab as well. So even better if you're trying to get into this, you know, trucking industry as a shipper or a dispatcher, guys. So as you can see, here goes some loads right here. But the first thing you would want to do to start up with direct freight is create your free account. Of course, this load board is absolutely free. I pay no money at all, and guys, it's pretty good load board, you know what I mean? So as you can see, with the free, it comes with all of these perks, guys. You can search for your loads and trucks, instant loads, truck alerts. You got the mobile app, You got freight rates, mileage calculations, posting loads, and posting trucks. So you can post your truck for free. You don't need to pay for it for this. And guys, they will give you basic credit scores. And the only thing, for $35 a month, if you want to pay, you can get profit reports, which is something that you can do on your own desktop, on your own filing, guys. Freight rate averages, which doesn't really matter. You should know that the industry right now is paying around $2 per mile, anywhere from $1.80 to even $3 per mile. So a good rate would be about $2.20, guys. That is a good rate at this point in time of this recording. $2.20 per mile. So guys, we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna search this load board. So once you create your free account, man, you just put in your basic information, and then boom, once you get in, this is after I've logged in my account, and you can see exactly right here that you can search where you're located at. So I'm located in Jacksonville, Florida, so we're just gonna put my destination origin of Jacksonville, Florida. We're not gonna put a destination because we don't want to limit ourselves in our loads. We want to see where we can go, and especially if you're over the road, you don't want to be picky on the states you go to, the cities you go to, because money is money. You're gonna be driving, you're gonna probably be in that city for 30 minutes. You drop that load off, you go to your next spot, guys. So it doesn't really matter. Even if it's a bad city, nothing's gonna happen. You're in a truck, guys. Just make sure you're always on your P's and Q's. Make sure you're looking around, because people are trying to finesse these truckers. People are trying to get in these truckers' pockets at these truck stops. Make sure you lock your truck. Safety first, guys. You don't want to get robbed when you're trying to make money, okay? So you just want to put in all your specifications, less than 40,000 pounds, because we are not in semi. But if you are in semi, guys, you could do any of this stuff. So let's actually do less than 20,000 pounds, because we are dealing with a box truck here, guys. And then we're just gonna search right now. We're gonna search and we're gonna see what pops up. And as you can see, we just searched and there's nothing that pops up. So now, actually, why did it put my destination for Jacksonville, Florida? I didn't even pick that, guys. Actually, I don't even want Florida in here. It needs to be, you know what? Let's just put the states, guys, since it's not letting me just put anything. So we're gonna go ahead and put the good states. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like for rates across the country, and local rates and regional rates. So here we go. For local, we got Georgia. Let's go ahead and put Alabama, because that is also regional. We're gonna put South Carolina, and as you can see, we can put up to 10 states. So we're gonna put South Carolina, North Carolina, and then we're gonna put California, and then we're gonna put Washington, because those are some good states to be in. Also, let's just go ahead and put New York, because I know New York does pay a good rate per mile, guys. So we're just gonna put in these couple of states right here. If I could find New York, what is going on? They don't even have New York up here, guys. So we're just gonna stick with these couple of states right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and search now. So as you can see, we have loads popping up. Not that much, but something is better than nothing. We have a lot of loads coming out of Jacksonville, Florida, which is good. Low deadhead or no deadhead, because we don't want to be spending money to make money. We don't want to spend money just to drive to a load. $100, probably even $200 in gas, just to drive to a load to make money, guys. And in Florida, or if you're not in a so busy state, that's going to be the case. You might have to deadhead 100 miles or even 200 miles if you're that desperate to still get a load for the day and you really need work. You might have to deadhead 200 miles in one day. It might just happen one time in your career, or no times if you're not that desperate. But here we are right here. We are in Homestead. That's around Miami area, guys. So Jacksonville to Homestead with the weight of 16,000. And it doesn't show you the rate for most of these loads. But as you can see, we have Green Cove Springs to South Carolina for only $50, 18 cents per mile. Which means, guys, when you see it this low, it's a partial load. It's a LTL, which means less than load. And guys, so you're getting $50 to go to this state, but it's only probably going to be one pallet, probably even less than that, since it's so cheap for $50. This might even be it's not even a cargo van load, because it says length 53 feet. So they want a semi for this, which is absolutely crazy. So we're just gonna keep searching, guys. You see $500 Florida to Florida, $3.94 per mile. And to book these loads, guys, where you will see this call button, or you either see this book online button. So you would press this call button and you will see all of the broker's information to book this load, guys. And this is, it's pretty much straightforward. From here, it tells you everything you need to know. And once you contact the broker, you will get the rate confirmation and further information. Once you contact these brokers, most of them are gonna want a carrier packet. You're gonna have to fill out all of your trucking business information on that carrier packet, guys. And if you book online, this is what you're gonna see, and you get, simple as that, guys. You can see a credit report up here, which you need the premium account for that. So the credit report is very important if you do want to pay that $35 a month, because you want to make sure that this broker is legit. You want to make sure that they're reliable on paying you. Now with brokers, guys, they do have 30 to even 60 days to pay you. So with that being said, this is when you will need a factoring company, and I'm going to show you some quick sauce on the best factoring company to use. But before I do need you guys to go ahead and like this video, to get this video pushed out to many other carriers, many other dispatchers, anybody looking for work, guys. Go ahead and like this video so we can get pushed out in the YouTube algo. With all that being said, let's get into this factoring company. The best one to use, guys, would be OTR Solutions. OTR Solutions is located in Atlanta, Georgia, so they are a American factoring company, of course, and they have the best rate, guys. They pay 2% for you to get your money in just 1 or even 2 business days, instead of waiting 30 or 60 days to get paid. But some brokers, they do give you the quick pay option. So this quick pay option means that you will be paying probably anywhere from 3 to 5% to get your money in the same day or the next day, anywhere up to even 7%, guys, for the first day. And if you do want to stretch it to get your money 3 days after you delivered the load, you will probably pay either 1 or 2%. So the same thing as factoring, 2% to get your money in just 2 days, guys, 2 business days. And then you got the freight rate information. Also need the premium account. Also need the premium account for the load calculator, the profit calculator. But with the free, guys, this is what all information you can see. And all you would have to do is get the broker's information and call them up. So with that one, I did not see their number, guys, but you could definitely call these brokers up and start, moving loads today. And let's just go. All right, so let's go Georgia for another origin. So let's just go Georgia, guys, and let's see what pops up in the Georgia area, since that's only one state up above me. Let's go to the search tab and see what we can get going regional. As you can see, we have loads coming from Georgia, guys. We have $1,025 for $298 per mile. All you have to do, get the broker's information, call them, email them. As simple as that on this load board. Now, as you can see on this load board, a thing that I don't like about this free version is if you do try to call, guys, if you do press the call button, there is not a phone number right here on this page, when you're trying to call them. So what you would do is you could add private notes. Oh wait, no, I don't think on a free account you can add private notes. So you would create your free account. Once you log in your account and you create your free account, you can't access these names, guys. You can't access the numbers, the emails. And once you have these broker emails and these brokers numbers, that's when you will reach out, and that's when you will use your pitching skills. That's when you will market to try to get these dedicated lanes in this industry. So if you are an on-time driver and if you do good work, guys, the brokers will more likely come back to you, or you will just have to reach out to them, say you worked for them before. Hopefully they remember you and they will give you loads. They will probably in the future even call you up personally to give you some good loads, guys. Now, without further ado, what you were waiting for on how to make the most money in this industry is you would go to Post Trucks, guys. So with Post a Truck, this is a method that you can set your rate minimum, guys. So if you post your truck, you can put 26-foot box truck, your origin of where your truck is located, and people will send you rates for a minimum of $500, for a minimum of $800 if you set that minimum for $800. And for all of my carriers out there that's utilizing Post Your Truck on whatever load board or app you're using, please always set your rate for high, guys, because if everybody sets their rate for a high rate, that means that these brokers are going to have to give out that load for a high rate. And if everybody's minimum is, $500, that means these loads are all going to go for $500. But if everybody's minimum is $300, that means all these loads are going to go for $300. People are going to be getting it for $250 after negotiation, guys, and that's not good. It's just an example number, but you don't want to be spending $300, but you don't want to be making $300 per load, guys. You want to be making $500, $600. Why would we want to make less money? Why would we want to say we're making less money? So, guys, you just want to log into your account, and after you log in, you can simply put in your truck information and get these loads sent to you at the best rate possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for more information about trucking, for more information about load boards and how to start your business, because this is Black Investors Group, where we do post daily on how to make money the easy way, and we don't just have trucking over here. We got all niches. We got anything you need. I do know how to make money the easy way. I've been self-employed since the age of 19, and I've been doing this for a while. So subscribe to the channel, man. Be a part of the family, because we are on the way to 100K. And guys, don't forget to check out the links in the description to make the most money the easiest way possible. My name's King Latta. This is Black Investors Group. Check out the links in the description. Follow me on Instagram. Reach out to me for any questions that you have. And guys, don't forget to make a comment on this video for any questions or concerns that you have. And I do accept coaching calls if you want to get into further detail. If you do want me to start your business, if you do want me to help you get your trucking authority, I do provide those services. Schedule a coaching call and we can work out everything personally. But this is the direct freight load board. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you did enjoy, give it a big thumbs up so I can see your appreciation. That's all I'm asking for. But without further ado, I'll see you tomorrow. We out. Woo!